Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that can significantly enhance your productivity, enabling voice typing in Microsoft Word on Windows 10. So, let's get started. Let's start by accessing the control panel. You can do this by simply clicking on the search bar and type Control Panel in the search box on your taskbar, and selecting the first result that pops up. Once you're in the control panel, now, make sure you're viewing the options as large icons. This makes it easier to locate what we're looking for. Now, scroll down and find speech recognition. When you find it, click on speech recognition to open up the settings window. Here, you'll see various options related to speech recognition. Our next step is to start the speech recognition setup process. Click on the option that says Start Speech Recognition. When you click on it, the setup wizard will now guide you through configuring your microphone, and hit the next button. Now, select Headset Microphone from the options. Then click on the Next to proceed to the next step, and then, again click on the Next button. Now, you will see the next option is closed, and you will see an paragraph that is bold. Now, you have to read this paragraph loudly. Now, when you read this paragraph completely, now, you can see the next option is opened, and you can click on it. So, click on it, and then, again click on the next button. When you click on the next, a new format will appear. Now, you will see two options. Click on the first option. That is Enable Document Review. When you enable it, now, click on the next, and again you will see two options. From these, select the first option that is usually already selected. So, click on the next button. As a helpful tip, you can print out a list of commands that your computer can respond to. This can be handy as you familiarize yourself with voice typing. If you're interested, then go ahead. And if not, then click on the Next button. Now, in the next format, make sure that the checkbox is checked. Once you have checked the box, then click on the Next button. Now, a new format will appear. Now, you have two options. If you know how to use this, then click on the Skip Tutorial. If you don't know, you can use second option, that is Start Tutorial. In my case, I click on the Skip Tutorial. Now that speech recognition is activated, let's head over to Microsoft Word to put it into action. Once you are in the Microsoft Word, now, in Microsoft Word, you'll notice a microphone icon. Click on it to start typing by voice. It's that simple. When it says listening, then say what you want to say, and what you say. It will automatically typed in the box. When you are satisfied, click on the insert. When you click on the insert, then all the content in the box will be typed in the Microsoft Word. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled voice typing in Microsoft Word on Windows 10. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.